What is up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 291. So let's get right into this. So this is an error code basically that says like you've been removed from the game, and the easiest way to fix this is we're going to do two things. The first thing is to just go to your cog in your Roblox account and log out and then log back in. A lot of times you just need to like kind of in a sense reset it, right? So logging out, logging back in usually fixes these issues. The next thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in network connections. Until you see, if I can just spell it right, until you see this pop up. In here, right click into either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected into, and then properties. In here, find where it says Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click into properties. In here, you're going to be connected into where it says obtain DNS server address automatically, and you want to click into use the following DNS server addresses and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, press close, restart your computer, turn Roblox back on. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please mess it up, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.